Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and the practical series of the computer networks. Okay, in this session we will see how to configure this MD5 authentication and syslog server and NTP server. Right? तो अगर आपने मेरा ये सेशन नहीं देखा है, in this session we already designed this topology and we already completed with the OSPF configuration. So first we will see this session, right? After that you will understand. अगर ये सेशन तभी तुम लोग को समझेगा. तो you will first see the previous session, right? That is your OSPF configuration in this topology. So let us start with the MD5 authentication on the routers, right? As we can see here, we have a routers that there are 3 routers. In this case, we have a 3 routers. यहाँ पे हम लोग को authentication, we configure OSPF MD5 authentication. So let us start with the MD5 authentication. So again, we go to the CLI mode, and in the CLI mode, we write basic commands. Okay, so there are commands for the MD5 authentication. So go to this again, and with the router and then again exit. Okay, now we enable the router, again conf t. So in the configuration we again start with the router OSPF 10. So this is basically used to start with the OSPF configuration. Now we already assign a area to this topology, right? हमारे पास area है, right? We had given a area ID as 1. So we start with giving a area 1 and we give the authentication to this area 1, right? अब now यहाँ पे हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, we are applying a authentication to the area 1 using message digest. So you can just type MESS and press tab. So it will automatically take the remaining part of the command. तो यहाँ पे हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, एरिया 1 पे वी आर enabling a authentication using an message digest, that is your MD5. Okay, so then exit. Now we will apply. So this will enable the authentication, MD5 authentication on router. But हम लोग अब क्या करेंगे, we will give this serial interface. यहाँ पे मेरे को enable करना, I want to enable this MD5 authentication on this point. तो यहाँ पे हम लोग को serial interface 0/1/0 we have to specify this. Now go to the again serial interface, that is your serial interface int serial. This serial interface is your S0/1. Just wait. Then again int S0/1/0. So this is my serial interface. Okay, as we can see here, right now we are in if matlab it is in serial interface. Right now in interface. Now next command is your IP OSPF again message just wait, message digest OSPF message digest key. Now MD5 authentication में हम लोग को एक की देना पड़ता है, right? We have to give this key. तो key is nothing but, right, is the बोलते ना authentication key that will be used to transfer the packet from this router to the next router. तो यहाँ पे मैं suppose की देता हूँ 1. Then उसके बाद हम लोग को देना पड़ता है next we give MD5, right, with username. You can give any name. So I am giving a name as ABC. Okay, so and then exit. So this is your MD5 authentication is enabled in the router. This router R1 router, the router 0 is enabled with the MD5 authentication. So do remember students, ये command जो है, this command is very important. Why? Because here we are giving a key. तो जिसके पास ये की होगा वही क्या करेगा, authentication में authenticate होगा. Okay, तो now we go to the next router. Okay, now the same command we will execute on the second router, right? To enable the MD5 authentication, यहाँ पे भी हम लोग we write a same command. तो go to the router CLI mode, then enter enable conf t, then again we start with the router OSPF configuration with the network 10. Now again we enable the authentication, okay, on this router using MD5. So the area ID is your area 1, right? The next is your authentication command. To enable the authentication हम लोग ये लिखेंगे, then enable the authentication using message digest. तो this is my message digest. Then again exit. अब यहाँ पे we will specify the serial interface connection again 0/1/0 as we can see here, right? यहाँ पे हम लोग we switch to the interface as 0/1/0 and we give the IP OSPF. Then next is your message digest key. So we use the same key here, right? And the MD5 and the value. Just wait. MD5 and the again value is ABC. So this is my MD5 authentication, right? We completed with the MD5 authentication on both the routers. Okay, so now we will check the connectivity, right? Whether ये जो MD5 authentication है is enable or not on the router. तो just exit, go to the router, then type to this is a command to verify the authentication, right? So show IP OSPF and then interface. So as we can just press enter. So as we can see here, right, here we have a maximum this, see, we have a youngest key ID is 1 which is applied on the interface, right? We have a interface which is your 20.0.0.1, right? तो यहाँ पे ये actual this is your output, okay, as we can see here. In the same way we can check the connectivity at this router. Go to the router, again exit, just press exit, then show IP OSPF, show IP OSPF interface, then again press the enter. As we can see here, the youngest key ID is your 1 at this router using message authentication, message digest authentication enable. So this is all about OSPF with MD5 authentication. So this is the output of this practical. So do remember students, so the command for the MD5 authentication is your the basic commands are there. We first select the interface, right? हम लोग interface select करेंगे, this one, and then we assign the key and value to the connection, and then we type the exit command. In the same way, go to the second router, right? We enable the authentication, right? Area 1 authentication using message digest. Then again we apply the authentication on the interface, serial interface. Then we write the IP OSPF message digest key 1 and MD5 authentication ABC and exit. तो in the same way we can write this command on this router. तो ये दोनों पे भी क्या हो जाएगा, MD5 authentication enable हो जाएगा. So this is all about the MD5 authentication. I hope you understood this session. Thank you.